When we set out to be, we wanted to be to make healthy and happy cows through better nutrition. And what we found is we needed really on point raw materials, and we needed the right raw material in the right place in the right quantity, and that was critical. And we nailed that out of the park by getting good systems and good software behind it.
I am Joanna Montath. I'm the Director of Consult. We are a consultancy firm. We provide app advisory services, implementation of those apps, and ongoing training and support. I started Consult about 20 years ago. I have a background in management accounting.
We have been using Joanna for 8 years now. She has been a very valuable part of our management team. So straight from the outset of setting up this business, we knew that inventory management was going to be critical to this business because of prior experience that I'd had in manufacturing in this sort of environment.
So that was an implementation that started from scratch. We set up Unleashed for them, we set up Xero for them, and Xero Payroll. They didn't have a lot of staff at that point. They just knew that they needed to manage their production really well.
We both went out and researched different products, and I had it down to 2 and he had it down to 2, and basically there was one that was on both of our lists.
When I am scoping out a client's needs, ideally I'll go on site and have a look at the business, see how they're currently operating. That's really important to see what systems they're using, what they are using that they really need to keep using, and what needs to change, what they're looking for. We do a full service where we will cleanse the data for them, we will do all the importing, we'll set up their bombs, import their customers, suppliers, stock, we'll train the staff before we go live, and then we'll be there on site with them.
Being able to track both volume and margin on a daily basis is very good, and we can easily make changes within the business and then have that traceability on a daily basis. We had a situation where our farmers were wanting a delivered price, so we used to charge our product plus a delivery fee, but depending where you lived, and the delivery fee would change, so the price for the farmer would change on a daily basis, and we couldn't give them an up-to-date price. So we made the bold move of averaging out our freight costs and then putting it over all tonnes, and then so we could confidently go up the drive and say your price is this.
They've been able to adapt their processes within Unleashed. They've also brought on the CRM, which is now embedded into Unleashed, has been huge for the sales reps to have that information to be able to take those orders, and they've also, with the open API, they've been able to write their own program called Doc Taylor, which manages all of those blends as well.
I really like the dashboards because I can go in straight away wherever I am in the country and look at who's doing what, where the orders are coming from, how active my reps are, and get a real good feel for the front end of the business. So we got flooded. We had 1.8 metres of water through here. Everything, all of our documentation, everything was gone, but we had our computers with all of the stuff on it, and I lost power, phone, water, everything at home. We didn't have any power for 3 weeks. I rang up our South Island rep and on the side of a rainy hill and said, Dallas, you're it. And we gave him an Unleashed sign-in, and Debbie got on the phone and explained how to use Unleashed, and they started producing down there and sending it up to the North Island, and it was all thanks to being fully automated, and you don't wish it to happen to anyone, but that's an actual key benefit I've never even thought of.
The partner program that Unleashed has is fantastic. I have a dedicated partner manager that I can just call if I need to. The technical support is fantastic. I get really great answers if I need them.
One of our biggest growth areas in this business is 3PM, where a third of the business we do now is not our business, it's other people's. And I put that down to good stock management systems and software like Unleashed.
My role with Ruminate these days is largely a support role. So they've always got a lot of ideas about things that they want to do, and so that's what they'll bring me in and say, you know, this is our idea, this is how we want to run things, and get my advice on, you know, systematically will it work or won't it, and if it won't, how can we make it work?
I would say if you want seamless information flow, I would definitely recommend CRM to go alongside Unleashed software.